I've been attached with the feeling of waking up with you by my side.
Marami pa rin nga talaga ang hindi nakaka-move on sa Kapamilya Chat na kung saan ay live na live ngang inamin dito ang ating Donnie Pangilinan kung gaano niya kamiss ang ating Belinda. Narito nga guys yung nasabing video na talaga namang nagpakilig sa mga bablis, sabay-sabay nating panoorin.
Na-miss ko si Belinda talaga.
Yes!
Pero kasi,
Bakit mo na-miss?
sinasabi ko naman sa kanya, sobrang proud ako sa kanya kasi syempre, first time niya rin na Bakit?
Na ano ka? Okay, go.
Gumaganon ba ulit? First time niya magkaroon ng ganitong genre ulit. And to spend it with, you know, people who we also call our own family and our friends.
We love.
It's something we're really looking forward to.
Love. Love daw.
But yeah, it's nice that we get to do these things as well. Kasi iba sa mga ginagawa namin dati. And I think it also shows that there's growth there and there's maturity.
At talagang umani nga agad ito ng maraming komento na ayon nga rito sa mga bula, Rohan na may halong MGB pala to. He has so many beautiful and encouraging words to say to Belinda. He always champions her. Gosh, way Kyle, Sir MJ and Jeremy stood up after Donnie said that. I am them. It's okay, dance. Just like what she said, distance makes the heart grow fonder. Always one of the best lover boys to his GF there is. Their relationship is consistently so healthy and so admirable. At sabi nga rito ng ating Donnie Pangilinan ay miss na nga talaga niya ang kanyang Belinda. Kaya naman talagang kilig malala nga ang maraming bablis na pumunta sa Kapamilya Chat na talagang live na live nga nila itong nasaksihan doon. At bidang-bida ni Don si Belle that night and even promoted MGB with no one mentioning or telling him to do so. Iyan na nga guys, kaya nang pinag-uusapan sa social media. Kaya naman stay tuned lang tayo for more update nila Donnie at Belle sa mga susunod pa na ayuda.